Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use Photobooth on Instagram Stories. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works both on an iPhone and on an Android device. So if you appreciate that, you already know what to do. Give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to get back to them ASAP. So obviously you want to create a story, so you want to go on your profile right here, click the plus sign, click on story, and let's record a story with Photobooth. So you want to click the arrow at the left corner and click on Photobooth. So now we can record 4 photos. I record one of my keys and watches, one of my mouse, for example, one of my keyboard and Mac, and one of my awesome cup. So now we have the Photobooth with 4 actual photos. So what do we do with it? Well, we can add a lot of options. If, for example, if we click the plus sign at the top with the 4 pictures, we have different options like a flash option, light leak, I don't like that, film roll, that's pretty decent. And this is how you do it. You click done, and that's all you gotta do. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.